नमस्कार, मैं मोहम्मद मुआज हुसैन। आज दिनांक 10 जुलाई 2019 को सीएम कॉलेज दरभंगा के स्नातकोत्तर मनोविज्ञान विभाग के तत्वाधान में किशोरों का मानसिक स्वास्थ्य, स्थितियाँ, चुनौतियाँ एवं संभावनाएं विषय पर राष्ट्रीय सेमिनार का आयोजन किया गया। महाविद्यालय के सेमिनार हॉल में पूर्वाह्न 10 बजे से किया गया। सेमिनार का उद्घाटन मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति प्रोफेसर सुरेंद्र कुमार सिंह के द्वारा किया गया। सीएम कॉलेज के प्रधानाचार्य डॉक्टर मुश्ताक अहमद की अध्यक्षता में आयोजित इस सेमिनार में मनोविज्ञान विभाग के प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर ध्रुव कुमार विशिष्ट अतिथि के रूप में तथा यूनेस्को क्लब ऑफ दरभंगा सिटी के अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर बिहारी शाही मुख्य वक्ता के रूप में उपस्थित थे। सेमिनार में भाग लेने वाले सभी प्रतिभागी को प्रमाण पत्र दिया गया।
And Dr. Dhruv Kumar, the head of the Department of Psychology of this college, Dr. Nathuni Yadavji, and IQAC coordinator Joya Heatherson, the hard-working and committed teachers of the college sitting in the audience, the friends from press and electronic media, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, let me first take this opportunity to congratulate the college in general and the Department of Psychology in particular for organizing this seminar and do that too on a very important and thematic topic. The adolescents' mental health status, challenges and prospects. Recently, the draft new education policy has been placed and the feedback has been invited from different stakeholders. If you go through the draft new education policy, you will see the kind of focus and attention that has been given to child education, children education. Earlier, the focus was only on the children aging between 6 to 14 years of age. RTE, Right to Information Act, it was extended only to the child aging between 6 to 14. Now this range has been increased purposefully. Now from 3 to 18, children aging between 3 to 18, they are the point of focus, they are the point of attention of the government. And there are 2 or 3 very important and cogent reasons for that. 3 to 5 or 3 to 6, which was ignored earlier, that is the age of mental development, everything. It is said that it is the outcome of one of the empirical studies that we are most creative at the age of 9 years, and thereafter the creativity starts decreasing. Because
dynamic and flexible person in all academic matters for gracing this occasion. His presence today in this function has immensely enhanced its importance. We are extremely grateful to you, sir, for your enlightful presidential address. My sincere gratitude.